बने हैं लायन, तो फिर हम सब करेंगे लायन दिल से, दिल से।
Mr. Umesh Gandhi, you are the district governor of District 32383. The only district which is shining in the world for having increased the membership and is known as number 3 in the world. We were though trying for getting number 1, but we are number 3 in the world. I am sure during your time we will be number 1. So we have also some other things which District 323 could be proud of. Now, for example, you know, the other day we had PhD training at Silvassa. There, our lion Anil Garg, he got a heart problem. You were witness to that. There were more than 7 doctors available over there. But unfortunately, since there were no medicines, they were not able to give any treatment to him. Therefore, Dr. Veer, he said, call Luthria for Sujok. And we gave him treatment for Sujok. Within a couple of minutes, Anil got up and he started feeling much, much better for treatment, after treatment. Did you have a word about that? Did you hear about word about that?
Yeah.
What do you feel about this?
See, Luthari, let me be honest to you.
Yeah.
Okay, I am being a district governor or as a grassroots lion.
Yeah.
Since I have been knowing you and your this Sujok treatment, slowly and steadily I have been studying in depth and I have high regard for the alternate therapy Sujok. There is no doubt about it. We feel also proud as a leader when your videos have been going to the international and today it's been seen by the world. So that's good. The alternative medical therapy, whatever under the name of Sujok which we are doing it has been experienced by the various people in the community. There has been experience, feedback, what I have so far got it. That yes, they are getting the immediate relief from the pain what they have got it. Coincidentally, twice I had an opportunity where I had to go for your Sujok therapy. One about 2 years back, okay, when my neck was not moving and we were there in October Service finale, okay, and somebody gave me the Sujok workout and within 15 minutes at least I could move my neck and could enjoy the meeting. And about last, as you rightly know, that my throat was out of water. Once again the Sujok came to my rescue. And both the time my own experience says, yes, it is making a pain relief immediate advantage to anybody who has got it. So that's what my respect for that the particular workout. And I feel that as is alternative therapy, Sujok, which has no side effect, there is no harm in promoting that. So we should take it as the alliance to the community at large, in a different center, maybe in methodology we have to work out of the network, so that it gives an impact to the community and the society for this entire alternate therapy which is available, which is almost at a very negligible cost, okay, and it gives a better benefit. I am optimistic on that. That's what my mission.
Gandhiji, now you know very well that if our lions learn this, they will be able to utilize at least in their house, because every house has got somebody or the other who has got suffering from some pain problem.
Correct.
So, if we encourage our lion members to start practicing it at their home, they will get the experience, we will get the first-hand information from them, how much time it is lasting. It will be sort of a research as well, because others may not give us a feedback. But our own lion members will be able to give us a feedback how long this treatment lasts.
I would like to say that I fully agree with your idea of training the lions in for the particular therapy. Looking to our experience of Lions Quest, I can say that ladies group, whether it is a lady lion or whether it is lion leader people or lioness, I think well let's take them into confidence for the training, which reaches to the house. Because the male, the people are going to be likely to be busy at various count, and the various other professions what they have got, they may not get in that easily with a focused mind. But the experience of Lions Quest with ladies involvement is coming out very well. They themselves go for a training workshop, they get trained and then they implement in school. Similarly, if we try a ladies group, which we should try to promote, in every house the lady should know about the Sujuk therapy, I think in his building itself, she will be able to cure various things and that will become good marketing. So let us focus on that area, which I can also add into my speeches. I can talk about the Lions and Lion Auxiliary also. Lions Auxiliary are planning some big programs, so we can add up on that. Let us do this. So during that program beforehand, they can definitely give you a platform where you start doing it. Or you give an organized course, which we try to promote among the ladies. If the big clubs are there, they can have their own seminar, and if the smaller clubs can combine together, then they can have a seminar. I think that is possible to do it, provided you give me a proper write-up on that. So what kind of seminar, how much time it will take it, schedule, let us make it, so that we go and properly make an impact.
See, frankly, as far as Lions Quest is concerned, I have got high regard for that. It is really doing wonderful. Change in the children. But it comes from, as far as Sujuk is concerned, if individual comes to me, I take 500 rupees donation for the Lions Club of Sujuk charity account. But our Lions, I have been always saying that if they are organizing it in a group, every Lions Club has it for their ladies, we will charge zero, absolutely nothing.
Thank you very much. I think, as I told you,
and we will give them the time what they want.
Great.
Because we have got a couple of people who are able to teach.
Great. But this is only one lecture or you have a series of
1 hour total for pain management.
Pain management, one lecture.
1 hour only.
1
not
hour.
40 hours like Quest.
Oh, that's great.
It is 1 hour and they can learn it and they can start practicing it. Only thing, as you rightly said now, that if you start encouraging it,
Okay.
the members, they will learn it and then we will have a health camp practically in every house, because the Lion ladies, they will be treating the buildings as you say. Every Lion member, when he learns from his wife, while he is traveling or in the office, if anybody has any pain problem, he will immediately treat the patient.
Now we'll try to do it either at club level or at zone level.
Yes.
We'll try to tell them all of them. Okay, why don't you organize this, give them 1 hour. Let the ladies wing keep on doing the work when they are busy in the Lions work. So the ladies wing also kept busy for 1 hour each. So that kind of platform to be given. Like recently we had a cabinet meeting where ladies had a group.
Yeah.
We could have done that there also, to be honest. But I mean, next meeting wherever they are taking a shape, we may try to do it.
That will be wonderful.
Great.
Now,